Anyway,
But
job is done.
yeah, तब में you talked about ऐसा 6 बजे ये, 8 बजे ये, 9 बजे ये, 5 बजे ये. कभी-कभी आधे days when you're like यार हो गया यार. नहीं हो रहा हर दिन.
Yeah,
Then what
of
you
course.
उस दिन.
उसका भी एक thinking है. David Goggins had said something, and my friend Siddharth Warrior, he also says something, but he comes from a more academic way he says it, which is that every time you bounce back, it actually makes the muscle of resilience stronger. Okay, so every time I cheat, earlier I used to feel very guilty if I would cheat. I'd be like, shit, I cheated, and next day your mind would be a little sad. You'd be like, but yesterday got ruined, no. And for example, if I cheated in the afternoon, कि अगर मैंने कुछ खराब खाया दोपहर को, then I'd be like, आज तो cheat कर ही लिया ना, रात को भी खराब ही खा लो, कल से दोबारा शुरू करते हैं. Right? But the more you slide and the more you break your habit, the more harder it is for you to get back. But the counter is every time you train your brain to get back, it becomes easier for you to get back the next time. Right? For example, when you do things that are opposite in nature and or unconventional in nature, it forms a new groove in your brain. For example, if you're boxing, and if you're boxing, you know how people box, they're like serious and they're looking at the thing and they're boxing. But imagine if you have to box while smiling. Imagine if you have to smile and do it. It's like, what a weird thing to do. Like, I'm just not used to doing it. So on day 1, when you smile and do it, your strength isn't as high. Utna power nahi nikal raha hai. But by day 5, brain makes the connection that, oh, this is just I'm forcing my brain to join 2 different neurons together. So each time a habit breaks and you come back from it, you're actually, the neurons of the 2 new neurons are bonding. So now when I cheat, I feel like, dude, wouldn't it be cool if I had a cheat meal and at night I go back to my routine like nothing happened? That's kind of cool, actually. So next time, cheating and getting back on your thing becomes easy. So I stopped giving myself a hard time about it. I'm like, it's okay if you had a Saturday night, but if the real win is if you can get back to it on Sunday, that's kind of cool. So now when I'm cheating, I'm usually canceling plans for the next day, saying, yo, I had a bad day. Tomorrow I just got her, because it makes it that much easier. So it's a slowly making it okay to slip and come back up. Like that's the trick to learn. And most people, yeah, if you can avoid being in that slippery situation, great. But if you slip, if you can then get back, that's even better. And if you can make it a habit to be able to get back regularly. For example, this is a practical example. This happened with me. On days that I used to cheat in the afternoon, मेरे को लगता था कि यार आज तो दिन फकी हो गया है, अब क्यों शाम को जिम जाए, आज फकी हो गया, आज enjoy, let's dedicate today to enjoyment. Now it's changed to, अच्छा, I had a bad meal in the afternoon, but I'll still work out in the evening. I'll still do it. So even if I have a bad day, I still go and lift weight. So net the day has actually gotten better. So what's happened because of this is that I started associating workouts even with a cheat day. Like they're not different. Like working, I'm not in a different day mode. Like it's not a dieting means workout. It's workout too is permanent. It's just eating well or not eating well. That's the new change. And this whole week has been that actually. Bombay mein dikkat hi wo hai na. I don't have my dabba service here. I'm meeting a lot of new friends. So I'm cheating. But I've worked out every single day. And guess what? Instead of losing like 2 kilos this week, I've lost half a kilo this week. But this week I've cheated. But I've still lost weight. How is that even possible? So, केवी नेट ना गेम ही है. सब कुछ गेम ही होता है. जितना तुम अगर जो गेम खेलने में तुम स्ट्रेटेजी लगाते हो ना, लाइफ में अलग अलग चीजों को तुम देख के एक को अगर मैं इसे गेम की तरह अप्रोच करूंगा और इसको मजेदार अपने लिए मजेदार बना सकते हो क्या, then it's fun.